Welcome back, learners. This video is just the continuation of factoring general trinomials. As you can recall, we have two classifications of general trinomials. Number one, ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 1. And this classification was already discussed in our last video. And the second classification we have ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 1. So this time, we will focus on the second classification. So don't leave, and let's learn mathematics together. Now, I will give you an example on how to factor general trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 1. So we have to factor 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. So as you can see, our a is 6, so not 1. So this is the second classification where our a should not be equal to 1. In this case, where a is not equal to 1, we can solve it by trial and error, or you can have by grouping. So this time, I will teach you on how to solve it by grouping, because for me, trial and error takes a longer time. So we have to solve this example by grouping. First step is we will multiply the quadratic term and the constant term. So we have 6x squared and negative 6. So this is it. 6x squared times negative 6. And the result is negative 36x squared. So I have here the factors of negative 36x squared. So we have x times negative 36x. So if we will multiply this one, the result is negative 36x squared. And then 2x times negative 18x. That is negative 36x squared. So with the other factors, 3x times negative 12x, 4x times negative 9x, and 6x times negative 6x. If we multiply these factors, the result is negative 36x squared. But we can have these numbers will be negative and the other side are positive numbers. Remember, if we factor negative number, their factors must have a sign of positive and negative. Since positive times negative will have negative result, okay? We will consider the sum of the factors. It must be equal to the middle term or the linear term, which is negative 5x. So which among the factors is having the sum of negative 5x? If we're going to add this one, the result is negative 35. This one, that is negative 16. If we will add 3x and negative 12x, the result is negative 9. If we will add 4x and negative 9x, the result is negative 5x. So therefore, this is the correct combination. Now, let us replace this factor into the middle term of the given equation. So the middle term is negative 5x. We will replace it by the factor. So 1. This will be the result. 6x squared plus 4x minus 9x minus 6. After replacing the linear term, we will group it. So we will group 6x, this is square, 6x squared plus 4x, and then the other group is 1. So we have minus the quantity of 9x plus 6. Sir, Why is it that it looks like that? Remember, if we will distribute negative in here, the result is negative 9x. Negative times 6 result is negative 6. That is why it looks like this. Next is we will factor the group. The first group, second group. We'll factor this one. Okay, the common factor of 6x squared and 4x, we have 2x. Why 2x? No, 2x. 2 is the common factor of 6 and 4. And then x is the common factor of x squared and x. So we have 2x. Then, why is it that we have 3x plus 2 in here? Remember, we are looking for a number in which if we will multiply 2x times the number, the result should be 6x squared. So we have 3x. 2x times 3x, the result is 6x squared. 2x times 2, the result is 4x. So this is the factor of the first group. The second group, what is the common factor of 9 and 6? The common factor is 3. Since we already have negative in here, so we have negative 3. We will multiply it by 3x in order to get 9x. But negative 3 times 3x, the result is negative 9x. Ilaki ni siya? This one. And then, negative 3 times 2, the result is this one. Or this, negative 6. Therefore, this is the factor of the second group. So we have negative 3 times the quantity 3x plus 2. Next step. Very simple now. The next step is you just need to combine the common factor. Just combine. So therefore, we'll combine it. We have 2x minus 3. And then just copy the common binomial factor. Just copy 3x plus 2. So now, this is the factor of 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. Do you have question? If you have question, just comment below and I will answer it in my next video.